Preview.
Some boxes, trunk, sign, glove, and
This time we are going to draw a dump truck. You have seen a garbage truck holding a lot of dumping things or a garbage at the back. So we will be drawing a dump truck with Parikshet at Kids Funland Club. We'll be needing as always a Sharpie, some white papers and something to color. Let's start drawing. Take your Sharpie. That's mine.
I'm going to draw with 2 Sharpies today.
Okay, you draw with Sharpies.
I'm going to do 3 Sharpies.
Anshu, don't do that. See. Don't do that. Come on.
Papa, please.
Beta.
You draw with something. With this.
Then do it with that. No problem.
I'm going to draw with. I'm going to.
How do I draw with this?
We will even.
It won't be possible, Beta. Give me one. Thank you. Let's thank Parikshet for giving me the Sharpie. Okay. Now we start with
I'm not going to give you the cap.
a straight line.
Papa, wait.
Okay.
Wait.
No. Keep it like this. Yeah. We write a L. That's so easy. Then we make a straight line on the top of it. Easy. 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 Okay. What are you trying to do, Parikshet? So we are done.
Let me see.
The wheels. The round ones, as always. The window.
Papa,
Mm-hmm.
ask someone the biggest. The biggest.
Okay.
Papa, let me see. What you did?
It's because of you.
No, not because of me. What are you seeing? This.
Make it nicely.
Yeah. Like this?
Our truck is ready.
No, not. No, truck is not ready. No, I don't want to do it there now.
So there's something kept in the truck.
I start coloring.
We'll be using a yellow color.
No, Papa, wait. Just follow me. Papa.
Okay, you color yours, I'll color my choice. We are done, Parikshet?
I didn't thought that it would make a batsman. I just thought to be batsman.
Okay. So now that we are done
Wait,
with
I'm not done.
what are you left with?
This.
Then finish it up fast. Done? So we are done with the drawing of
Whose
a
drawing
dump truck for
Whose
kids.
drawing is better?
That's obvious. That your drawing is better.
How?
No, it's mine. Okay.
No, it's not. This is not looking like garbage.
Yeah, this entire truck is looking like a garbage.
Because this is a garbage truck.
Okay, so now that we are done with the drawing, so we go. You want to say something?
If you love this video, do like and subscribe my channel, no Papa's channel, my channel.
Okay.
And if you do not subscribe my channel, you will not get a PS4.
Have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye.